Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does your earbuds Philips T1 Fidelio support wireless charging? So, in front of me I have wireless charging station, and if we put the charging case at the wireless charging station, we see the LED light at the wireless charging station, but the most important, that we see it on the front side, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Now, because this earbud support wireless charging, we can also use reverse wireless charging. So, of course, your phone should support this technology. We need to go to the settings, at least on stock Android. It's located in the battery. And right here I have battery share, so we need to enable this mod. And if I put it here, we can also use it, but we need to find good position. Here we go. And again, the same LED light. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.